Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to hide fonts based on language settings in Windows 10. This feature allows you to declutter your font list and only display the fonts that are relevant to the language you're using. So let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open up the Start menu. Step 2. Search for Control Panel in the search bar. Make sure the view is set to large icons so you can easily find the Control Panel option. Step 3. Click on Fonts in the Control Panel. This will open up the font settings. Step 4. In the Font Settings, click on Font Settings. This will open up the Font Settings window. Step 5. Under the Font Settings window, you will see an option that says Hide Fonts based on Language Settings. Simply check this option to enable the feature. And that's it. You have successfully hidden fonts based on language settings in Windows 10. Now your font list will only display the fonts that are relevant to the language you're using, making it easier to find the right fonts for your projects. Hiding fonts based on language settings is a great way to streamline your font selection process and improve your overall user experience. Take advantage of this feature to keep your font list organized and clutter-free. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.